Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make 3D AI animated stories. So right here, we are on hiluo.com or hiluoai.video, and all you need to do is just log in right here, and then from there, you will need to ChatGPT and this 11 Labs IO. So from ChatGPT, you just enter in, ask ChatGPT to create you a short story or a short simple story. Then from there, you copy the text and just enter in here. And you can actually choose a lot of different voices from here. So as you can see, I'm on text to speech. You can just choose Brian, narrate a story, Alice, tell a joke, Bill on record an ad, and a lot more. So from there, you can just download it. Right, it's just right here, this image right here. And from there, you can ask ChatGPT again to generate an image. And then from there, you can go here to hiluai.com or .video and upload that image right here, and then enter in the prompt. For example, a boy walking, or boy flying, or opening a car, or something, whatever one you want. So from there, you can just download the video, and then insert combine the video with the text to speech from this website, from the audio file you download from this website into CapCut, and basically you have your story. That is it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.